Oh, Ilya, hello, my friend. How are you?
Hello, Jakubas. Very good. And how are you?
I am amazing. What is this? A video camera?
Yes, we are making a video. And
Oh,
yeah.
we are making a video. Amazing. What about?
So this video will be about training. And good news that I already filmed our training together.
Oh, Ilya, I love when people film me without me knowing. Hello, everybody. Look, I have to tell you, we are not experts, but we are very, very passionate about bodybuilding and the healthy lifestyle.
And we want to share this passion with you. We hope that you like our video, and if you did, like and share it.
And also, people, very important, this is our first video, so don't be afraid to leave a suggestion for us in the future so we can improve. Thank you and have a nice day.